Welcome to the program IT. In this part, we will add set on click listener to the next previous and play pause button, and also we will get metadata of songs in our player activity at runtime. So first of all, we are creating a metadata method in player activity which will take argument as a URI, and in this method we will use class media metadata retriever equals new media metadata retriever dot set data source URI dot to string, and duration total of integer type integer dot parse int. We will parse to int from string using list songs dot get position dot get duration, and setting the text view duration total with formatted take time, and pass the parameter duration total, getting the byte array type of album art using get embedded picture, and if art is not equal to null, then we will glide with context this as bitmap dot load and load art dot into cover art, and in else block we will copy this and paste it here, and just change this art to r.drawable.vdoc that we have pasted here in drawable folder. Now go to the get intent method, and at last after seek par add this method metadata URI and pass URI1 URI, and go to the onCreate method, and after get intent method that we have declared duration play dot set text list songs dot get position uh, song name dot set text list songs dot get position dot get title, and artist name dot set text with the artist get artist. Now let's run the app. Allow. Now click on any one of the song. You can see the album art, but total duration is in milliseconds, so let's change the total duration. Go to the metadata method, and here divide it by 1000 so that it will be in seconds. Let's run the app again. Now click on any one of the songs. Now you can see total duration is okay, and album art is also showing. Now we have to implement the buttons configurations. To do this, first of all we will create 3 threads, one for play pause thread, and another for previous thread, and the last one is for next thread. Now I'm going to generate an overrided method on resume. Press Ctrl O and search on resume method, enter. Now creating 3 methods for play thread button, and another one is next thread button, and the last one is previous thread button. Now we have to add this method in our player activity. Press alt enter. Now first of all let's go to play thread button, and play thread equals new thread, and after this open curly braces, press Ctrl O and add run method, and here semicolon. In run method we will add set on click listener to play pause button, and in on click play pause button dot click play pause button clicked, method will be called, and after this semicolon we will start this thread. Now when play pause button will be clicked, this method will be called. So let's implement this. If media player dot is playing, then media play pause button dot set image resource r dot tribal dot ic play, and media player dot pause means media player will be paused. And after this seek bar dot set max media player dot get duration by 1000. Copy this from on create method and paste. After this just delete the text view line, and in else block we will have play pause button dot set image resource r dot drawable dot ic pause and media player dot start means media player was not playing, so we are resuming from there. And seekbar dot set max, again control C and control V for player activity dot this run on UI thread. Let's run the app and see if the play pause button is working or not. You can see the play pause button is working properly. Now we have to implement next and previous buttons. So to do this, first of all I'm going to play thread button and copying these lines, and in next button thread we are pasting and just change the thread. Now in same thing in previous thread button, and after this also change the name of method previous button clicked, and here next button clicked. Now in next button clicked method, if media player is playing, then we will stop the media player first and release the resources. Then we have to increment the position number using the logic position +1 remainder list song dot size, so that the position will be in the range of list song dot size. Then we will create URI equals URI dot parse list song dot get position dot get path, and we will create media player using media player dot create and pass the context and also URI. And after that we will add metadata method and song name text view using list song dot get position dot get title and artist with the same style. Now here, now go to play pause button clicked and copy these lines from seek part 2 and paste it here in the next button clicked. And after that media player dot start. Before this, let's set image resource for play pause button, that is r dot drawable dot ic pause. This if block is completed, and in else block we will copy these if statements before media player dot start and paste it here, and just change this ic play to ic pause to ic play. And let's run the app again and see. You can see the media player is playing and we can perform next button click. So now we have to implement the previous button in the same manner that we have implemented the next button clicked. Just copy the whole if else statement from next button clicked method and paste it in previous button clicked method. Where is previous button clicked method? Here we will paste it, and just we have to change the position decrementing, means position -1 if it is less than 0. Yeah, if it is less than 0, then it will be list sound.size, else -1, else position -1. We are using here a ternary operator. Copy this and paste it here, and that's it. We have added all the button configurations of next, previous and play pause buttons. Now let's check that the app is running and songs are playing. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe the channel and also like the video if it was helpful for you.